I have a problem because when I have to go and mow the lawn in that hot sun, I get pretty thirsty, which means I have to stop, walk inside, grab some water, and then return to cutting the grass. So I wondered, what if I brought the water to the lawnmower instead of me to the water? Okay, that's smart. That's genius. To start off, I decided to see if there's any places to even put the water. If only there's like an invention that could hold a cup or like this water right here, that would be perfect. So I decided to do some research, and it turns out there's a thing called a cup holder, and apparently they do exactly what I need. Strange. After doing a bit more digging around, I found out that this invention's even in my car. I thought these were only to hold my pet rock Jerry. After doing my research, I decided that I should make my own cup holder. So I drew up some designs and took some measurements. After that, I started designing my own cup holder on SketchUp. Okay, I finished my design on SketchUp, and so now it's time for a business meeting. All right, here is the business meeting presentation by Benton Hewish, me. How do I go next? Oh. All right, so this is the design. The water goes inside this cup, and then this clips onto the rail for the lawnmower. And then this part can spin like this. So then when I'm walking up a hill, the water will like always stay down and it won't spill. Thank you for listening.
Wow.
All right, so I'm about to send over the first batch of files. I'm hoping this will work. There's a big chance it won't. I mean, I'm doing this on SketchUp, and if you know SketchUp, it's not made to do this. It's for like architectures and stuff like that. So I'm just hoping this works out. There's a very slim chance. But let's do it. Okay, so I just went downstairs to see if everything was working, and I stopped it to see if these guys would fit inside of the holes of these guys. It did not work, so I had to end the print, and I'm going to edit it, but in the meantime, I'm going to like print like the big cup, and let's hope that one works better. So let's go print that. All right, 3 hours and 18 minutes is a long print, but here we go. Okay, the prints are hot right off the printing bed, and now it's the moment of truth to see if it works. It's looking pretty good though. I can definitely put some nice ice cold Coca-Cola in here. Also, look at how good of a fit this is. That's like, fits like a glove. Perfect. And then it will be able to like sway around and stuff, so then it doesn't spill. Pretty good. I fixed the problem with the clamps, so all that's left is just to print them, and then we'll be done.
Few moments later.
You've got to be kidding. What happened? I mean, I think this stuff finished. It's kind of messy. Oh boy. Alright, I'm gonna try reprinting some of these parts because they didn't turn out too well. I'm not sure what really happened, but I'm hoping the next batch will be looking way better. All right, I have all the pieces printed and it's ready to be built. So that means it's time for a building montage. All right, now that I built it all and it's all complete, we just need a weight to go on the bottom to help it stabilize when it's like going up hills. And luckily, after a bit of digging around, I was actually able to find this coin that fits perfectly just inside the cup. So now the only thing that we have left is just to test it on the lawnmower. Set up, and so now the only thing that's left is just to put a cup of water in here and see if it can hold it. Cross your fingers. Okay, I have 4 different types of bottles and we're gonna see which cup works the best for the lawnmower cup holder. Okay, test number 1 is gonna be flat ground with the dining table cup. I don't think that one's gonna work. All right, test 2 is the Coca-Cola bottle. Okay, this one's not also gonna work. Oh my goodness. All right, test number 3 is orange juice. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right, test number 4 is just going to be just a normal bottle of water, but I'm going to drink some of it because if I don't, then it's just gonna fall out. All right, that one also did pretty good. So now I'm also gonna try doing hill tests and see how the cups perform on the hill. For the hill test, I'm going to try the normal plastic water bottle because that one worked pretty well. And I'm also going to try a new one, soda, like a soda can, because I like drinking soda, and I think that I actually probably drink that while mowing the lawn. So, yeah, let's test it. Okay, up first is soda. Okay, so that actually did surprisingly way better than I thought it would. I would say that gets a A+. All right, up next is normal plastic water bottle. Okay, so that one also passed. I'm surprised how well these actually worked. Now mowing the lawn feels less like a chore and more like vacation. Thanks so much for watching the video. I mean, like, thanks a lot, man. If you enjoyed it, which I hope you did, please leave a like. And if you really want to, maybe subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And if
you want to watch this video, I don't know which way it is, that YouTube is recommending to you, you should probably watch it. I mean, it looks pretty good, I do have to say. But yeah, thank you. And until next time, see ya.